What is the significance of your type of omega-3 fats in your diet in relation to bone health? Well, there are particular types of omega-3 fats known as EPA and DHA, and these are the ones that are known to be particularly protective to our bones and keeping them stronger in older age. Now, EPA and DHA fats are found in our oily fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, a little bit of trout, herring and fresh tuna, although we need to be a little bit careful about our tuna intake because of heavy metals. If you're vegetarian and vegan and you're not eating oily fish, then your levels of EPA and DHA are going to be much lower. The body struggles to convert omega-3 into EPA and DHA. Approximately 10% is converted. We get omega-3 from dark green leafy vegetables, walnuts, chia seeds and flax seeds, but the conversion is poor. I recommend vegetarians take an algae-based EPA DHA supplement to ensure they're getting sufficient levels.